Hey guys, how's it going today? Hope you're all having a good one. Today I am super excited because it's the first video in the new year, and this video is going to be a little different than what I've done in the past. I'm not going to be installing anything, but instead we're making a little adventure out to pick up my new assistant who's going to help me with future builds on the Jeep. The new assistant isn't a person, it's a puppy. We are both super excited. This is my girlfriend Lisa. She is super excited for this. This is her own puppy, not a family dog. So we're gonna go through this adventure together. We got a couple names picked out, which is super exciting. We have a 2-hour drive ahead of us, so we're gonna get on the road and see how that goes. So we can't wait to introduce him to you all. So we're gonna get on that road and go pick him up. So guys, we just got to pick up the puppy. We still gotta drive back, but I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce you all to Wrangler, the Bernese Mountain Dog. So we are super excited. As you can see, he is settling in and having a blast right now. So what we're gonna do is get home, then we can run around with him, take some more videos, and show you guys some more of him having fun. So let's get back to driving back home. See you guys in a bit. So guys, we are almost home, but we're gonna be stopping now because someone had to pee. You can see he's awake. He was definitely barking away when he had to pee when he woke up from his little nap in the car. At this point, by the time we get home, it's gonna be dark. So what we're gonna do is wrap this video up here at this park that we found. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have not already, check me out on Instagram. And for now, I'll see you guys on the next video.